how to find perfect entries. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find perfect entries that have about 99.9 win rate, entries that are flawless. I'm going to show you here. So do not be in a rush. Relax and watch this video. I promise you one thing, it is going to worth it. Okay, it's going to worth it. Now, if you're checking in this channel for the very first time, you're highly welcome to CharmingB the Oracle. This is where I teach you price action, how to read the charts with your naked eyes without indicators. I don't predict the market here. What I do is I interpret what the market wants to do. The market tells me what it wants to do, and I interpret it to you in a way that you are going to understand exactly how it works, exactly what the price is saying. So the first thing you want to do right here is top-down analysis, and that is how we're going to use to identify or find a perfect entry. Now, the first thing is going to a higher time frame, like the monthly time frame. I start from the monthly time frame. Even if you're a scalper, start from the monthly time frame. There's a reason for that. Okay, so on the monthly time frame, I brought out the key levels. You can see all the key levels I brought out. Now on the weekly time frame, and I use my rectangle line to draw the zones. Now I have the zones. Now I'm using, we are using here for example right here. Okay, so I draw out this level here, as you can see on the daily time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the market just goes from here, hit here. I already said the market, you check my analysis, I already said the market will sell, will drop here a little bit. Okay, now that it went to this point, you know exactly what it wants to do. It came back, right? Now, with that being said, on your daily time frame, you are getting the direction of the market. Already gotten all the key levels from the 1 month and the weekly. Now you want to get the market direction. Okay, market direction is going to tell us what it wants to do. As you can see right here, the market just broke this level, came back, couldn't retest here and continue. So in that case, it broke back. It broke back this low. So what are you expecting? Once you see that the price has broken past this low, the next thing you're expecting should be sales, because instead of making higher highs, it made a lower low. So the next thing you expect is a lower high. So that is where the sales now comes in. This what I want to say next on this video. This thing is not actually for free, but I will do it because I want to give out to the nation. I want to give out to the society. I want to give back to the society. This is what I teach my oracles. Okay, those in the Oracle University. This is what I teach them. But I'm going to give it out here as a sign of, or a way of giving back to the society. Now, after drawing your key levels on the daily time frames, knowing structure on the daily time frame, you don't have any business on the chart until price gets to a key level. You don't have any, this, I'm not supposed to say this, but I want to teach you this. Like, I'm giving you this for absolutely free. You do not have a business on the chart until price gets to a key level. What do I say? You do not have any business on that fucking chart until it gets to the key level you've drawn. Did I make myself clear? Because I discovered that most people just come to the chart, they buy because they feel like buying. They feel like buying, so that's why they bought. You feel like selling, you sell. The market doesn't care, don't give a fuck about your feeling. If you want to die, die. If you want to lose all your life savings, the market doesn't give a fuck about you. It's only a mentor like me that cares about you. But the market doesn't care about you. What you're feeling, if it wants to take money from you, the market wants to take money from you. So that is why you don't, let me make it very clear. This market wants to take money from you. The forex market wants to take money from you. So the more you're trying to rush, you're trying to hurry up and go waste that money. They are calling you. They want you to bring that money. Your brokers, because most people are using B broker. It's a big book broker. So the broker are the ones making that money. If you lose, they are making money. So they actually want you to lose. All right. So while you're rushing and rushing and rushing, you're losing a lot of money. That is how they make money. This would be very hard for you to understand if you're, especially if you're a newbie. You understand? You get. So if you relax and wait for it to get to this key level, look at exactly what happened here. You don't have any business until price gets to that key level. Look at it. You just see this. It's a no-brainer. It's very simple. Now, price tries to test from here. It broke from here. It tried to test from here. It sold. It gave you sweet entry. This is a very beautiful one. But then again, this is what happened. It came back into this level. So all this movement, you see all of this movement, this movement that happening here. It is not your business. You don't care. You don't give a fuck. You shouldn't give a fuck about it. Don't give a fuck about what the market is doing like crazy. All right. You don't care. Don't care. Wait for it. If you have a business, if you have a family, go do something else. Like until the market gives you what it wants to give you. Like for example, I'm not looking at USDJPY right now, and couple of some pairs that I trade. Okay, I'm not looking at them now until they do exactly what I want them to do. Until they get to where I want you to get to. Like in this case, this market is moving from here to here. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. The market is just moving. Relax, relax, and wait for it to get to that key level. Now you've seen how it works. Now, once price gets to that key level, that is where you now look for a selling opportunity. Very clean. Now, look at the candle that price went to. Look at this. Price just got to this key level right here. It is looking so very sweet. Oh my God. I love price action. I love top down analysis. Top down analysis is the best strategy ever. The oracles are enjoying this strategy, honestly. The oracles are enjoying this strategy. My students, they are going to be enjoying this thing. The market just taps in here and gave us an inverted hammer with a lot of pressure. Oh my fucking God. What the fuck are you doing? Once you see that it has closed like this, the next thing you want to do is just go down to your um uh uh lower time frame. That's all you need to just do. Look at how market works. Oh my goodness. Guys, you guys are losing money too much. This is stop wasting money on the forex market. Oh my God, stop wasting money because you are losing out a lot. Come on, because you're rushing. Wait for the price to do that thing. Do something else. Go party. You have a wife. Fuck. I mean, you have a girlfriend. Fuck. Like go to a beach, have a good time. Forex has given you peace and freedom. Just enjoy that freedom and just relax and wait for price to just get to that level. You open your chart on today on Monday and see that okay, price has not gotten to your key level. Relax, sleep, go do something else like party. Tomorrow you wait for the price. As you can see on the third day, the price just give you that. You just open the price and see that the price now has not approached your key level, giving you the kind of candle you're looking for. Oh my God, that is where you are. This is a free money. That is where you just kill the market. Look at this alone. Looking at this is a free money. Once this happened, I know that I have free money. If I want to buy a car, this is the right time to buy a car. This kind of trades have only 1% chance of failing. 1%, 99% of all the times you got this kind of trade, you are killing it. That's why swing traders are saying they are the best traders. This is just a simple trick. If you are a day trader or a scalper, you can do this and kill the market like this. Relax. Okay, just relax. No fancy thing. Just do like this. Just do like this. Do this only. Just do this. I'll make another video. I will teach you exactly how to use trend lines. Okay. I'll make another video to teach you how to use exactly trend lines. All right. Now the market just broke this neckline. As you can see with my trend line, it just broke the trend line and the neckline. Beautiful. Nothing else to do. Enter here. Nothing else to do. Just enter here. Don't worry. Just enter here. Bro, enter here. Don't worry. Don't worry. Enter here. for one full day. This market started selling from here to this point. For one full day, the market was bleeding down. And that entry came here. But let's just say you want to capture what is happening here. Just one movement, and the market moved it all the way to what's 1 to 16 weeks to reward. 1 to 16 weeks to reward. And if you decide to hold it down even further, you can even get 1 to 30, 1 to 34 weeks to reward. What kind of weeks to reward is that? What kind of risk to reward is that? How many people you know that catches such a risk to reward? I just know that that is my free money. That's like free money. Once market does that, it's giving me free money. I really want you guys to join the Oracle University because I want you to learn this thing. You're going to learn how to just relax, do something else. And once you're killing this type, you're killing it. That means if you have like if you have $1,000 like this, you're getting $34,000. If you have a profit account, you're risking like 100K profit account, and you're risking $1,000, which is at least 1%. Is that you're risking $1,000? You're getting $13,000 by this point. This is another entry. Let's say you got all of this $34,000 in just few days. You go do something else, party. I mean, do a lot of things you want to do. Like Forex is freedom. I really want you guys to join the Oracle University because I want to take my time, relax, and sit and teach you this. So you guys will stop losing money every fucking day. If you have any question you want to ask me at all, once I'm done with this video, you can use the comment section or follow me on Instagram and X and message me directly. I reply to you almost immediately because I really want to see you improve. Okay, I really want to see you know this thing. I teach pure price action. Okay, so this is exactly how to catch a clean entry, a perfect entry, too perfect. All right, so this is the process of catching a perfect entry. All right, so that is it for this particular video. If you have friends that are struggling, you have families that are struggling, all you just need to do is simple: invite them to this channel, send the link, the YouTube link to them, or add them to your Telegram, add them to this Telegram group, add them to this my Telegram group. It's in the description. All right, it's in the description. You're going to learn. Let them just come and learn for free. All right, let me do the teaching. You just do the invite. Just tell somebody about this channel. Tell somebody about CharmingB, the Oracle. Just tell them about the oracles. That's all. Just tell them about the channel, and I will do the teaching myself. Let me just teach them for free. Okay, that's all. That's all good. All right. So bye bye for now, and I'll see you on the next one.